Welcome, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of convenience with the best 10 countertop dishwashers. Let's kick off our list with the check video description to get a special deal. Number 1. Comfy, Portable Mini Dishwasher. The Comfy, Portable Mini Dishwasher is a compact and user-friendly appliance designed for small spaces. Its sleek design complements any kitchen decor, making it a versatile choice. Despite its limited capacity, it efficiently tackles dirty dishes with quick cleaning cycles. Pros: easy to use, space-saving design, quick cleaning cycles. Cons: limited capacity. Number 2. Comfy, Portable Mini Dishwasher. Overview. Another top pick from Comfy, this dishwasher offers versatility and convenience. Its adjustable features cater to various dish sizes, while the energy-efficient operation is a standout feature. The sleek appearance adds a touch of modernity to your kitchen. Pros: adjustable design, energy efficient, sleek appearance. Cons: may struggle with heavily soiled items. Number 3. Hermetlux Countertop Dishwasher. The Hermetlux Countertop Dishwasher is known for its powerful cleaning performance. Intelligent water usage and eco-friendly features make it an environmentally conscious choice. However, some users may find it slightly noisy during operation. Pros: powerful cleaning, intelligent water usage, eco-friendly. Cons: slightly noisy during the operation. Number 4. Novete Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Overview. Compact and efficient, the Novete Portable Countertop Dishwasher impresses with its robust cleaning capabilities. Multiple wash modes cater to diverse needs, but the noise level may be a concern for some users. Pros: compact design, multiple wash modes, effective cleaning. Cons: noise level may be a concern. Number 5. Farberware Portable Countertop Dishwasher. The Farberware Portable Countertop Dishwasher combines convenience with performance. Its compact design fits well in small kitchens, and the user-friendly controls make operation a breeze. However, the limited capacity might be a drawback for larger households. Pros: compact design, user-friendly controls, suitable for small kitchens. Cons: limited capacity. Number 6. Smart Choice Granite Countertop Dishwasher Installation Kit. The Smart Choice Granite Countertop Dishwasher Installation Kit is a reliable companion for seamless installation. It simplifies the setup process for your dishwasher, ensuring a secure and efficient connection. However, the kit's compatibility with specific models may vary. Pros: simplifies installation, ensures a secure connection, efficient setup process. Cons: compatibility with specific models may vary. Number 7. Joy Pebble Countertop Dishwasher. Overview. The Joy Pebble Countertop Dishwasher offers a balance of performance and aesthetics. Its compact design and powerful cleaning capabilities make it suitable for small spaces. Pros: compact design, powerful cleaning capabilities, suitable for small spaces. Cons: the higher noise level during operation. Number 8. IRMSENATDQR03 Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Overview. The AIRMSENATDQR03 portable countertop dishwasher is designed for efficiency and ease of use. Its compact size makes it ideal for smaller kitchens, and the energy-saving features contribute to its eco-friendly appeal. Pros: efficient and easy to use. Compact size for smaller kitchens. Energy-saving features. Cons: limited capacity. Number 9. Ecozy Portable Dishwasher Countertop. The Ecozy Portable Dishwasher Countertop stands out for its eco-friendly design and energy-efficient operation. With multiple wash programs, it caters to different dishwashing needs. However, the noise level during operation might be a concern for some users. Pros: eco-friendly design, energy-efficient operation, multiple wash programs. Cons: noise level during operation. Number 10. Snap coupling adapter fit for Danco portable washing machines dishwasher. The snap coupling adapter by Danco is an essential accessory for a seamless connection. It ensures compatibility with portable washing machines and dishwashers, simplifying the setup process. However, users should check the compatibility with their specific appliance models. Pros: essential for seamless connection, ensures compatibility with portable machines, simplifies the setup process. Cons: compatibility with specific models should be verified.